How to cancel Jasper AI account? Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel Jasper AI account, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel Jasper AI account. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Method 1. Cancel Jasper AI account online. Log into the Jasper AI account by going to its official website. Go to your account settings. Navigate to the plans and billing and scroll down to the bottom. Click the cancel account option from the bottom. Make sure to follow all the steps until your cancellation is confirmed. After deleting your account, you will lose access to all of your data or information on your account. Method 2. Cancel Jasper AI via email. Jasper AI team will provide you with email support to get connected with them for help in any aspect. You can also send an email to their team to request them to cancel your Jasper AI account. For this, send an email to hey@jasper.ai and their team will respond to you within 4 to 8 hours. Only by using this method, you can easily delete Jasper AI account. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.